Welcome back, guys. Today we will see how a reflection is created without an object. We will use only one light and create this, so without wasting your precious time, let's jump into the tutorial. First, we adjust the user interface, so we don't need to change the tabs again and again. As you can see, we have already added a Suzanne face, plane for background, and a camera. Our custom interface is ready. The first screen for viewport, second for render, and third for shader notes. Now in the viewport, press Shift-A, and we will add a new area light. Then move it upwards, and rotate it at 70 degrees on the Y-axis. We change the second screen to render view. And hide the camera, because it's interrupting our viewport view. We select the area light, and in the properties, increase its power, and change its color. We also changed the render engine to cycles. If we come back to light properties, we see the beam shape option. Now change the spread amount to 1, as we need sharp edges. High value for smooth edges, low value sharp edges. In the render properties, we will check the denoise option, so we don't see the noisy reflection. Now it's time to play with nodes, but first we will click on the Use Nodes option. In Node Editor, we press Shift-A, and add a Image Texture node. Then open the texture image. You can download this image from below as well as the project file. There are two sides of the PNG image, black and transparent. So we will treat the transparent side as white. Now connect the alpha to strength. Ta-da! Nothing happened, because we need the parametric. So now we add the geometry node, and connect parametric to vector. We're seeing the branches, because there are blacks, but we want to see the white area. So for that we add invert node, because the invert node will change white color from black to white. If you want to adjust the texture, you can add mapping node. Now in the texture node, we need to change the repeat to extend. Next you can play with the mapping value, and set it wherever you want. If you set the image texture to repeat, it will look like this. Today's topic is complete. If you've learned something new, please like and subscribe the channel. See you again, be happy.